In this video, we are going to see how to find the maximum value in a list using Java. All the necessary libraries and code snippet used here is provided in the description. For the code snippet search and library search, we are using kandi.openweaver.com. Here, in query, we need to give for how to find all maximum values in a list in Java. Here it shows n number of code snippet. Here I am copying the first code snippet by using this copy button. It copies the entire code. Please ensure before pasting this code snippet you have created the class and the default method. You need to paste inside the method. It shows the error as to import the classes. After importing this all classes, it only shows the error. Before running this code, we can go through what the code is. Here we are storing the input in the array list as a integers. Here we are adding the numbers into a list. Here we are iterating each and every element of the list, and here it will find what is the maximum value in the list, and it also count the values which are present in the list. And here in output it prints what is the maximum values in the list. Now we can run this program. Here it prints as 50 as 2 times because in list we are adding 50 2 times.